Welcome to another episode of Extension Gardener on the Coastal Coast. I'm Shawn Banks. Today I'm here with the Extension Master Gardener volunteers at the Goodness Garden, and we're going to rebuild the gardens. The wood that was in making the gardens was rotted, so we pulled that out and got rid of it. So today we're going to rebuild the gardens, fill them up, and get them ready to plant. Okay, I'll take shots here and there as we go along so you can see the progress. The beds are about 14 inches tall, 12 foot long, 4 foot wide. This is what they look when they're just finished. Probably need to top them off with just a little bit more compost, but we got a little bit more compost we can use to do that. But overall, the beds are looking really good. Well, we're just about finished here. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. We've got all 6 beds put together. We got almost all 6 beds filled up. Now all we need to do next is go ahead and get some vegetables and put those in there, and we should be good to go. All right, well, until next time, happy gardening.